Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kiana and I do a lot of sewing and fashion videos. Today I have a little flip for you. It started out with me and my friend dyeing our clothes brown. We were trying to hop on that trend. And then it ended up with me turning one of those brown shirts that I dyed into this shirt, which is, you know, that trendy exposed seam, serged edges, left out, all that jazz type of shirt. Anyways, let's start off with some vlog footage of my friend and I dyeing our clothes brown. Okay, right now I'm gonna try and do the dyeing my clothes brown trend. So we have 2 bottles of dark brown and then also some dark green, but this is irrelevant. So we're gonna do 2 bottles of dark brown in this big tub. Oh my god, I splattered. Is this supposed to be this dark?
It's dark brown.
Okay. We got our Rachel Ray. Oh yeah, that's good. That gets there. Look at that. Wait, what do I do with this now though? I'll put it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh! Get it out. Get it out.
No, I don't want my fingers. Oh, wow. That's good. Okay, we have a lot of clothes. This is more than a couple pounds of clothes. We were supposed to only get a couple pounds.
It's alright.
She was also supposed to wash her shoes. Very good with directions over here. Should I do it?
Just do it. We're gonna just go ahead and push them down.
Okay, this is not gonna work. Okay.
Whatever.
Goodbye, creation. Oh my god, oh my god. What about this one? What about this one? What about this one?
Oh, that one's so thick.
Oh god, we made a mistake. Look at this red. This doesn't look promising, guys. Some of these are questionable. Oh, look how nice that fits. Is that good? That looks good. Look at it bubbling.
These ones are gonna be green.
What does it look like? Wow, that's so pretty.
It might be darker than that if I leave it in longer.
That's such a pretty color.
Stir
Rachel Ray.
consistently for 30 minutes.
I'm stirring.
Or until desired
Oh,
color
Michaela,
is achieved.
I got it
after
on the
60
tub.
minutes.
I need your assistance.
Okay. The clothes were supposed to be already wet.
Look at this one. That's pretty. Look at this. Ooh, that's a nice color. Look at this.
That is a nice color.
What's in that one?
What
Probably
one?
some dirt off of my shoe because I didn't wash them before.
Look, we made a mistake. We stained the tub. Don't be mad at us. Don't be mad. Michaela did that
No.
one. I did this one.
It'll come off.
No, it's not coming off. She tried to
It'll
get
come-
that.
it'll come off
We're
with
gonna
some
try to
bleach.
bleach it. Let's show them some things.
Our soup.
Check
This
out
was yellow before.
Check out our creations. So we have this, a very nice brown color. This, we use the all-purpose dye. So the things like cotton and the natural fibers took really well. But we already knew the things that were mostly polyester wouldn't really work. So this is a polyester blend and it has a higher percentage of polyester in it. But we already knew. We knew it wouldn't work, but we still did it. So yeah. Oh my god, what's this, Michaela?
Is that your nail?
I found it.
Is that your nail?
We ruined the bathtub. Oh no. No. Oh no. Okay, so you know what? It's multiple weeks later, but I want to show you how the clothes ended up turning out. I'm not gonna lie. It was mostly a fail, and it was a fail because of user error. And I am that user. We had some turn out good, but you know what? Let me just show you. So starting out with the major fails, the reds did not take. Oh, so they are exactly the same color, just as bright as they used to be. Another thing that did not work was this sweater. Obviously it didn't work, but we already knew that it wouldn't work. This is polyester acetate, which I knew, and the dye was for natural fibers. So obviously That didn't work, but listen, you can't hate me for trying, okay? Let's go into like the medium fails. So this was not really changed. It looks like basically the same. It was just like a little bit more green before. Okay, this was the denim. So this is the new color. You definitely still see the blue in it, but it's a lot browner and I kind of like it. You know, I'm not mad at it. I think it makes it look more like vintagey. However, an issue that I definitely had with the remainder of the things were the armpits. Like before, you could not really see like pit stains or anything like that. But after dyeing it, it's red now. Can you see? It's like red where the armpit is. I don't really want to go out with red armpits, so I can't wear this like that. This one worked. This one was a light green before. 10 out of 10, it worked. And I'm into it actually. I'm really into it. I think I might actually wear it. I wouldn't have worn it before as the old color, but now I'm into it. And then finally, the two things that actually took the dye the best. I love this color, but it looks uneven. Like it didn't dye super evenly, and then especially this, oh my god. No! Okay, so be aware, if your clothes have any sort of discoloration anywhere, the dye will definitely emphasize that. So this can't be used like that. And then this one as well. This one we were almost home free. I love how it dyed, but then you can see this white spot right there from where I got foundation on this white shirt, and then I covered it up with white paint. And then one more thing, this was a bright blue. It's still blue, but it is slightly toned down than it was before. Still not gonna wear it, so. So, what are we going to do to salvage this experience? Well, oh, also by the way, Michaela's clothes turned out nice. I know that she at least has a couple good things. So maybe if she allows me to, I'll insert a couple pictures of her clothes in here. I don't want to do this all for nothing though. So we have this shirt. We're gonna change it up, we're gonna flip it. We're gonna do that trendy serged seam piece patchwork design. And I'm gonna show you how I do that. Let's go. Okay, so I'm taking a racerback tank that I already had in my closet and folding it in half to make the pattern because that is more precise, and to make the pattern, I'm just tracing that out. Make sure you trace out the front and the back pieces to create your pattern. And you can do this with literally any piece of clothing that you have. I reflected both the fronts and the backs of my pattern to create one full front and one full back because I'm making an asymmetrical design. And I'm just gonna draw wherever I want my seam lines to be, and as you can see, it was a bit of a trial and error for me. But wherever you drew, just cut that, and that's where all of your exposed seams will be. Also, I'm just marking my neckline, arm's eye, and hem because I do not want to add seam allowance there later when I'm cutting. Now I'm just taking my old shirt and deconstructing it so I can work with one layer at a time. I'm gonna lay out my pattern pieces and cut it out with a rotary cutter, but you don't need to use that. And where I have my purple bluish marks, I'm not going to add seam allowance. Ooh, sorry, there's my head. And then where there's no mark, I'm going to add a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I'm just gonna finish off my neckline, hem, and arm's eye by serging it, so I don't need to add a seam allowance there. Once you have all your pieces cut out, you can start constructing. So remember, we're doing wrong sides together so that we can have exposed seams. And I'm just gonna think of the easiest way to sew this. So I'm sewing those 3 pieces together before connecting it to this panel and then connecting it to the rest of the shirt. And that was just the easiest way to sew it for my particular design. After you piece together both the front and back, you're going to sew them together at the sides and at the shoulders. Initially, I was going to leave all the openings raw, so that's why I have some serged threads hanging off. But then, like I said earlier, I did end up deciding to serge all of those openings just to make it look a little bit more put together. Okay, so here's the final look. Do I like it? I don't know. I think it's cute. This is a cute style. Obviously, it's like trending, and it's trending for a reason because it's pretty dang cute, and like it's a look, and people look cute in this kind of, you know, messed up, serged threads, exposed seams kind of vibe, but it's just not me. You know what I'm saying? It's just not my style, but it is a cute style. I like how it looks with the full outfit, like with me in like leggings and sneakers. I look pretty cute. We vibing. It's nice. Oh, and by the way, after I finished the top, I just went back and put some like serged threads at random points so I could leave the little dangles off of. So I just like serged right here and I serged right here just to get the little dangly pieces all up everywhere. You see the dangles? I don't know if you can see the dangles. Anyways, I mean, yeah, this is a super cute style, and if you like it, go for it, follow my tutorial. Anyways, I think that's all the stuff I have for you today, so I'm just gonna say goodbye to you now. Goodbye. Oh, please feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I've been working really hard on my Instagram feed lately, so please go check it out. Feel free to follow me. And also, if you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up because it's the easiest way to support your favorite creators for free. And also subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Is there anything I'm forgetting? I don't think so. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!